And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to continue our endeavors into multiplying radical expressions. It's going to be good stuff. So here's what we have. We're taking 5 and we're going to multiply by all this. And then we're going to take the positive root 2 and multiply by all that as well. All right, so after that step, we have 25 minus 5 root 2, then plus 5 root 2, and then minus, well, root 2 times root 2 is the square root of 4, which is 2. Now, look at those. Those make 0, they go away. Was 25 minus 2? It is 23. Now, the reason we got a whole number and not a radical is because these two binomials are called conjugates. They're the same thing. One has a plus, one has a minus. So that's why we ended up not having a root, therefore, in our answer. And it's going to be very important on number 7. Anyway, we have another group of conjugates here. So I'm going to take root 3 and multiply by root 3 plus root 5. So this times all that. And then minus root 5 times root 3 plus root 5. So then I have root 3 times root 3, which is the square root of 9, which is just 3. Then I have plus root 15. Then I have minus root 15. And then I have minus, that's the square root of 25, that'd be 5. So those two, once again, go away. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And there's your answers to numbers 1 and 2. All right, so for these, similar story, we're going to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to take this first term, multiply by all that. So 4 minus root 2, and then plus root 2 times 4 minus root 2. So I get 16 minus 4 root 2 plus 4 root 2, and then minus root 2 times root 2 is the square root of 4, which is 2. So then for our last step here, these two go away. That makes 0. 16 minus 2 is 14. So 14 is my simplified solution there. Then over here I have root 3 times root 3 plus 4. Then I have minus 4 times root 3 plus 4 as well. So root 3 times root 3 is going to be the square root of 9, which is just 3. Root 3 times 4 is plus 4 root 3. Then I have minus 4 root 3. Then I have minus 16. So those two once again make 0. They gone. I have 3 minus 16, which is negative 13. All right, next up, I have root 3 times all this stuff. So root 3 minus root 6. Then plus root 6 times root 3 minus root 6. So then this times all that. So root 3 times root 3 is 3. Root 3 times root 6, negative root 6 is negative root 18. Now, you might want to simplify that, but you don't have to. I'll show you why. Because here, this is root 6 times root 3, so it'd be plus root 18. And then it'd be minus root, it'd be 36, so 6. Now these two, they're opposites. They make 0, so they go away. We don't have to worry about simplifying them because they're gone no matter what. Then, what is 3 minus 6? That is negative 3. All right, and that's what we're getting. We always get these solutions that don't have roots because we're multiplying conjugates. Conjugates, once again, same first term, same second term, different symbol in the middle. All right, for our last example, number 6 here, we're taking negative 1 and multiplying by negative 1 minus root 3, and then plus root 3 times the same thing. So then negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. Negative 1 times negative root 3 is going to be a positive root 3. We have root 3 times negative 1, which is a negative root 3. And then we have a negative, and then root 9, square root of 9 is 3. So those two make 0. What is 1 minus 3? It's negative 2. And that concludes the first video otherwise known as numbers 1 through 6.